Hey hustlers! Welcome back to Health and Hustle, where we tackle everyday health challenges, so you can stay focused on crushing your goals. Today, we're diving into a topic that's a little stinky, literally. If you've ever dealt with smelly feet, you know how embarrassing it can be. But don't worry, I've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to heal and prevent bad-smelling feet. Let's get started. First, let's talk about why feet smell in the first place. Your feet have over 250,000 sweat glands. That's more than any other part of your body. When your feet sweat, bacteria on your skin break down the sweat, producing that unpleasant odor. Factors like poor hygiene, wearing the same shoes every day, or even stress can make the problem worse. But the good news, smelly feet are totally fixable. Here are 5 proven ways to heal and prevent smelly feet. Start with the basics. Wash your feet every day with antibacterial soap. Don't forget to scrub between your toes. Exfoliate once or twice a week to remove dead skin cells where bacteria love to hide. Try a DIY foot soak to kill bacteria and odor. Mix 1 part vinegar with 2 parts warm water and soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes. Vinegar is a natural antibacterial agent. Alternatively, you can use Epsom salt or tea tree oil for a refreshing soak. Moisture is the enemy. After washing or soaking, dry your feet thoroughly, especially between the toes. Use a clean towel and even a hairdryer on a cool setting if needed. Moisture-wicking socks are also a game changer. Wearing the same shoes every day traps moisture and bacteria. Rotate between at least 2 pairs of shoes and let them air out for 24 hours after each use. You can also use shoe deodorizers or sprinkle baking soda inside to absorb odors. Sometimes, smelly feet are caused by fungal infections like athlete's foot. Use an antifungal powder or spray to keep your feet fresh and fungus-free. Look for ingredients like clotrimazole or miconazole. Here are some bonus tips to keep your feet smelling fresh long-term. Wear breathable shoes made of leather or mesh. Change your socks daily, or even twice a day if you sweat a lot. Go barefoot at home to let your feet breathe. Stay hydrated and eat a balanced diet. What you eat can affect body odor. And there you have it. 5 proven ways to heal and prevent smelly feet. Remember, taking care of your feet is just as important as taking care of the rest of your body. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Health and Hustle for more tips to keep you feeling your best. Until next time, stay healthy, stay hustling, and I'll see you in the next video. Got a health topic you want me to cover? Drop it in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.